From surviving to thriving, the 5 transformative steps of doing yoga. What if there was a way to move beyond exhaustion, stress, and that constant inner chatter? Not another quick fix. Not just positive thinking, but a profound journey back to your truest, most vibrant self. Maybe this sounds familiar. You carry the weight of the world on your shoulders. You're running on empty, yet you push through anyway. Your mind races, even when you're lying in bed at night. And deep down, you crave something more. True calm, clarity, purpose. Not just getting by, but truly thriving. In this video, I'll guide you through 5 powerful steps, rooted in doing yoga, Eastern medicine, and my own healing journey, to help you reclaim your energy, peace, and joy. Step 1. Stop trying to fix yourself. We live in a world obsessed with solutions. But you are not a problem to be solved. You're not broken. You don't need fixing. Doing yoga invites you to pause, listen, and trust. Not to force change, but to allow healing to unfold. The first step: simply be here, exactly as you are. Step 2. Reconnect with your body's wisdom. Many of us have learned to live in our heads because feeling was too painful. But buried emotions don't disappear, they turn into tension, fatigue, and disconnection. Through gentle do-in stretches, acupressure, and breathwork, you'll safely reopen the conversation with your body. No pushing, no judging, just coming home to yourself. Step 3. Unblock your energy, reignite your vitality. In Eastern medicine, your life force, qi, flows through pathways called meridians. When energy gets stuck, you feel it: exhaustion, anxiety, restlessness, even pain. Doing yoga helps release these blockages, so energy moves freely again. Like a river returning to its natural flow. Focusing on the kidney and bladder meridians restores grounding, resilience, and deep trust in your body's intelligence. Step 4. Awaken your inner guidance system. Your body isn't just flesh and bone, it's a gateway to intuition, strength, and clarity. Every stretch, every mindful breath, every touch brings you back to your truth. With simple self-massage, meridian tapping, and movement, you'll learn to regulate your nervous system, anytime, anywhere. No fancy poses required, just a willingness to listen. Step 5. Live from your center, lead with purpose. When your body remembers it's safe to let go, a deeper wisdom emerges. You'll notice more calm, less chaos, clearer decisions, fewer doubts, a quiet confidence, no more over-controlling because you're supported by life itself. Doing yoga bridges heaven and earth within you, so you can stand tall, rooted in strength and grace. And this gift, it's not just for you, it's meant to be shared.